This is the Shaw Floorte hardwood. It is a waterproof hardwood. It is on the same stone core that is used for vinyl planking, but you have that layer of wood on top. It has a 360-degree coating around it, so it is a waterproof product through and through. For installation, you float it, just like the vinyl planking. And it also has a rubber backing attached that's antimicrobial, so it helps with sound and has some really great colors to it. The great thing about the Floorte hardwood is you're gonna have the luxury of the vinyl planking, so with kids, pets, you won't have to worry, but then you're gonna have the hardwood, which is gonna be great for resale value. And they also offer a walnut, which is really nice, very unique. You don't see that very often.